Today we are going over how a side pocket mandrel natural gas lift works and operates in the oil and gas industry. This here is the side pocket mandrel. This is a real used piece of equipment in the actual field. This is attached inside the production string. So here we have our Christmas tree, which sits on top of our well. It's a series of valves that allows gas in and out and process in and out. This is our side pocket mandrels. Now here we have a few different ones stacked on top of each other in this simulation. This is the valve opening. As the natural gas comes down the production string, it enters into this gas lift valve, which then bubbles in the material inside the production string, lessening the specific gravity, allowing it to rise to the well a lot easier. And so what happens is natural gas comes down the outsides of it. You see these ports right down here. This is where the natural gas enters. This right here is the actual gas lift valve itself. I have a nice clean one right here. So the gas will enter through these holes and come out the bottom. Down here is where the gas comes into this chamber. It bubbles out down into here, mixing with the product that is inside this mandrel and lowers the specific gravity, allowing it to rise a lot easier to the surface of the well, getting all of the product up there. So now if there's multiple in the same string, once the natural gas gets to the first one and it lowers the specific gravity, it will move down the well into the second one. When it gets to the second one, it enters inside these ports into the second gas lift valve. The first gas lift valve will then close, allowing no more natural gas to get into the first one, and all the natural gas now is forced down into the second one. When the second one opens and natural gas enters into this chamber inside the mandrel and lowers the specific gravity there, it will then effectively move down to the third one, so on and so forth, until it is down at the bottom where the raw crude is. It mixes with the crude, and it takes quite a bit of natural gas to get that crude nice and light where it can flow to the surface a lot easier.